We've built a garage here, as you can see behind me, that gives us the opportunity to have cars with engineers working together with some of our partners that are local here in this part of California to move as quickly as we can to develop what's needed to get self-driving cars on the road. We're going to be opening up a couple more of these kinds of development garages or labs in other parts of the world so we can connect with customers and partners to move the technology along. Ultimately, it's the automakers, the OEMs, and the tier ones that we want to be working very closely with. But there are another layer of technology providers, operating systems, or specialty kinds of subsystems like sensors, cameras, or radar, LiDAR. And so we want to make sure that we're connected with all those different elements that are necessary to create these kinds of solutions.
This car is specifically focused towards highly automated driving, and within highly automated driving, this vehicle specifically is focused on freeway or Autobahn driving. As part of the development effort, we have added additional LiDAR, additional radar, and changed the radar software. We've added additional IMUs and additional cameras onto this vehicle. We expect production vehicle to be called the iNext to be released in 2021.
What we've been doing is designing and prototyping what we're calling a series of trust interactions for really foundational usages with the vehicle. So really, how do you request a vehicle? How do you start a trip? How do you make changes to a trip? How do you handle errors and emergencies? And how do you pull a vehicle over and exit safely? That type of thing. We're really focused on prototyping in the HMI space to understand what technical capabilities are going to be required and really what things we need to optimize for our platforms.
What we've done in the last 5 weeks is actually centralize AI under one group. We're focusing on this workload top to bottom, all the way from use cases, software to hardware. Rationalize the product strategy across all the different inputs, right? Autonomous driving is one of them, obviously a big one for Intel. But we're hoping to basically get requirements from all these different groups, drive that into a specific product strategy, and supply the AI portion of it.
The most important aspect of these autonomous vehicles is, as we can get more and more on the road, they'll deliver a safer way to get from one place to another. That's going to save lives, and we're really excited about that.